Dear students, this is Hariram Singh. I am assistant professor in the Department of CEC in Sri Sai Ram College of Engineering. So, this semester I am going to handle Internet of Things subject for you. It is subject code is 17CS81. So, the first module it is all about the introduction of IoT, what is IoT and all those things we are going to study. So in the first lecture, I have selected two topics, that is what is IoT and genesis of IoT. So IoT is all about connecting the things whatever we can see with the internet, so that we can share the data and we can calculate the information, we can extract the information from it. So what in the diagram, whatever things you are seeing, your watch, your mobile phone, your handband, your bag, your notebook, keyboard, mobile, laptop, desktop, tab, everything it is connected with the internet. So that they can share the data and we can extract the information from it. So this is only called Internet of Things. We'll go with the proper definition in the further slides. Now here also this diagram is there. You can see that these toilet rooms are also connected with the Internet of Things. So whenever any person will come, they will sensors will be attached with each toilet. So whenever any person will come, sensor will sense a person is there. Then once then it will start watering. Once you finish using the toilet, then it will the sensor will activate the flush to flush the water out. Now, if this diagram also depicts like Internet of Things. Using the Internet of Things, what all things can be connected with the Internet? See, aeroplane, car, your mobile phone, house, light bulb, ship, bus, your alarm, gas, headphone, radio, tab, everything is connected with the internet. Now you see we will go with the proper definition. The Internet of Things is the network of physical objects or things embedded with electronics, software, sensors and network connectivity, which enables these objects to collect and exchange the data. So it is the network of physical objects. What is Internet of Things? It is network of physical objects which is called things, and it will be embedded with electronic devices, software, sensors and network connectivity, which enables and these things, electronic devices, software, sensors and network connectivity, they enables these objects, these things to collect and exchange the data. So it's in overall I can say it's all connecting all the things, physical things, using software, sensors and networks with each other, so that they can share the data, they can exchange the data. Another definition is IoT allows objects to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing network infrastructure. So suppose you are sitting far away from your house and something you want to control from remote place, then sensor will sense the things inside your house. It will inform you, and from there you can press the remote, and based on that sensor will perform the task. So this is another definition. The third definition is IoT is a technology transition in which the devices will allow us to sense and control the physical world by making objects smarter and connecting them through an intelligent network. So it it is a technology. IoT, it is a technology which allow the devices to be sensed and controlled, and it will control the physical world by making objects smarter and connecting them through an intelligent network. So now things are becoming smarter. Like here, we can have a smartwatch, a smart mobile. So they perform beyond the regular task because they are smart. All the activity they can control. So genesis of IoT. The age of IoT is started in 2008 and 2009. In these years, more things connected to the internet than people in the world. See, the Internet of Things is started during 2008 2009. Now we can see how that people connected with the internet and how things, objects also connected with the internet. Now during 2008, around 500 connected devices per person. So around 500 people had been connected with the internet, and 6.3 billion population of the world was there. In 2010, around 12.5 billion devices were connected with the internet, where world population was 6.8 billion. So it's all around 1.84%. Next one, 2015, 25 billion people, total, the world population was 7.2 billion, and number of devices connected with the internet is 25 billion. In 2020, around world population is 7.6 billion, but total 50 billion objects are connected with the internet nowadays. This is how the rapid growth of connection of objects with the internet happened in the recent years. So let us see when the IoT started and history of the IoT, who had started. So Kevin Ashton coins the term Internet of Things and establishes MIT Auto ID Center, a global research network of academic laboratories focused on RFID and the IoT. So it was Kevin Ashton, who is called the father of Internet of Things, and it was who had discovered the Internet of Things in the year 1999. So Kevin, IoT involves the addition of senses to computers. So he says that IoT involves the addition of senses to computers. Earlier computer doesn't have the sense. It was working on the instruction whatever users used to give. In the 20th century, computers were brains without senses. Now in the 21st century, computers are sensing things for themselves. Now this is how that evolutionary phases of Internet of Things. So in the beginning, where connective is the first phase of the internet, it was called connectivity, where digital access was there. We used to, through internet, we used to send mail, get mail, and we used to